In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the WordPress dashboard for the upcoming 2025 interface. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just starting out, understanding how to navigate to your dashboard is crucial for managing your website effectively. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. The browser acts as our gateway to the online world, and today it's our path to unlocking the features of your WordPress site. Next, in the address bar at the top of your browser, you'll need to type your website's URL followed by -wp admin. It should look something like this: yourwebsite.com/wp admin. This short URL is the most common route to getting to the WordPress login page, which is the front door to your website's dashboard. Once the login page is loaded, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. It's important to remember that these credentials should be kept secure. If for any reason you've forgotten your password, there should be a convenient Forgot Password link available on the page to help you recover access. After entering your username and password, you simply click on the Login button. With the right details entered, this should successfully land you on the WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is the command center of your WordPress site, where you can customize themes, manage content, and much more. Now, there might be rare occasions where typing babjabawp admin doesn't take you to the login page. If you encounter this situation, don't worry. As a backup plan, you can try entering another web address, yourwebsite.com login.php. This alternate URL should also direct you to the login page, allowing you to access your dashboard without a hitch. Once you're logged in and greeted by the WordPress dashboard, you've arrived at your destination. Here you can fully engage with all the functionalities WordPress offers, from editing posts to adjusting settings tailored to your site's needs. And that's it. With these simple steps, you're now ready to dive into the possibilities of managing your WordPress site. Always remember, keeping your login details safe and secure is just as important as accessing your dashboard regularly to ensure your website remains up to date and functioning smoothly. I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your WordPress journey. If you have any questions or if any step was unclear, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting WordPress tips and tutorials.